4 large eggs. We're gonna go with some of this right here, 100% pure pumpkin. It's a puree, right? And we're just gonna go with a little bit of pumpkin. I got about a half cup in there. That's about what I wanna use right there. Then we're gonna go with 2/3 cups of milk. Ground cinnamon, a teaspoon. Pumpkin pie spice, about a teaspoon or so. You know, my teaspoon might be a little more than yours. The fabulous pure vanilla extract, right? Just a little bit of that, teaspoon or so. Maybe half teaspoon, because that's all I got left. We're just gonna get this all whisked together. Got that all whisked away. We're gonna set that off to the side, right? Gonna grab ourselves another bowl right here, and then we're gonna grab unsalted butter, right? 1 stick. Get that in there at room temperature. Then we're gonna go with some of this right here. You all know you like maple syrup, and that's a pure grade A maple syrup I'm using, but you know, use what you want. And we're just gonna go with about 2 or 3 teaspoons. And just a little bit more of that pumpkin, about a third. Get that in there of a cup, third of a cup. Luckily, I found some more vanilla extract. I always used to keep a couple bottles of that on hand. All right, I'm gonna throw a little bit of that in there. Whoa, or a lot, but you know, a teaspoon would have worked for you. Back in with the ground cinnamon, teaspoon or so. And then we're gonna go back in with the pumpkin pie spice. A little bit of that, teaspoon or so. We're gonna go ahead and get all of this combined and fluffy. Okay, so once you get it looking like that, it was all fluffy, I put it in a container. That's your whipped pumpkin butter. We're gonna set that off to the side. We're gonna go back with some of this. So far, so good. We're gonna come over here. Now, y'all can grab some French toast press. Y'all can use whatever bread that your heart desires, right? But I just got some regular old bread, right? And then I got a skillet. You can do this in a pan. You can do whatever you want. We're gonna soak both sides, like so. And then we're gonna go with hot butter. All right, get that on there. I think we're ready. What do you think? All right, here we go. Get that butter going. And this, I guess, makes 12. So we'll see. We're gonna make 12 of these babies. We're gonna flip them after a couple minutes on each side. All right, so about 3 minutes or so aside. Get them as brown as you like them. We're gonna go ahead and get those off onto a plate. Okay, so they're my French toast. I got more to make, but I ain't gonna wait to try this first. All right, now we're gonna grab some of that pumpkin butter and get that all on all of them. All right, and you know what? I tried this butter. This is amazing. Now we're gonna go down with a little bit more of that maple syrup. And would you look at that right there? Pumpkin French toast with that butter, that pumpkin whipped butter. Wow. This is gonna be amazing. I used a little bit too much syrup, but if I like this, I'm gonna make more than this. You know how that goes. Everybody's syrup is different, right? This is my dinner, because I'll eat breakfast for dinner. Do you eat breakfast for dinner once in a while? If not, serve it for breakfast. Bon appetit. Whoa! That's probably the best French toast that I've ever had, if you like pumpkin. Wow. You know, I really go out there and make this.